This time on building terminology, strip flooring. Strip flooring is a timber flooring using continuous lengths of floorboards. So the floorboards are usually tongue and grooved, so they fit together. And strip flooring is more traditionally used with a cut-in floor. However, nowadays it can also be laid over the top of a platform floor to give you a finished product. So if you want timber floors, strip flooring is one of your options. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.